Take a ride in the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, cloth seat trim, front reading lamps. Come see the car for yourself.